Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a hair video. I'm going to be doing a perm rod set video. I've seen these perm rod set looks on Pinterest and I find them so cute. Like, I wish my hair would just naturally curl like that. Like, I want to do that. Sorry, I'm sick. I'm just going to be trying out this hairstyle and see if it turns out okay or not. I hope it does. Like, I really want to wear this hairstyle. Let's get into it. Right now I'm drying my hair so it won't be as damp when I do it, so it can dry faster. I'm going to be putting this Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner. And just so you guys know, before you guys see anything, yes, I do have a little damaged hair. Well, not a little. A lot. Recently, this past year, I've been straightening my hair a lot because I just put on the stage that I wanted straight hair, when really I didn't. In the end, I want to go back curly. So don't do it unless you're sure, like 100% sure that you want straight hair, because I did a dumb mistake and I ruined my hair. I didn't ruin it. It's not ruined. It can be fixed with the big chop coming soon. Stay tuned for that. So the Flexi Rods I'm going to be using are these big purple ones. These are very old, so I hope these work. And then I have bangs. Like, I cut some bangs recently, so I think I'm going to use these tiny ones for my bangs to make them a little longer, because I don't want them to be like really short, because my bangs are already short. So yeah, let's get started. Behold my damaged hair. I used to have beautiful hair, but now it's just dry and looks disgusting, and I have to wait for it to grow some more so I can cut it, because I don't want to go in like super bald headed. No thank you. Alright, so I already know this is gonna come out bootleg, and this is making my head hurt, making my head heavy, and I'm already sick. I'm so mad because it's not gonna look right, and it's not gonna look like how the pictures look. Okay, so I'm finally finished. This is what it looks like. I had to go and find some more rods for the back because I ran out of rods. I ran out of purple. So the hair dryer I'm gonna be using is this one. You've probably seen it on this channel before. I'm using the same one, and it's a bit old, but still, it's good. So we're going to turn this bad boy on high because I want my hair to dry. I'm not even 20 minutes into this, and I just want to stop. Okay, so literally my battery's on like 3%, so I have to hurry up and take one out. At all. Not even dry. I feel like my hair doesn't even do anything anymore. Like, I feel like it doesn't do anything. Literally, like, it's just the ends. Well, we can all say nothing.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs it up. If you didn't, just leave. Bye. Make sure you subscribe and click your bell for notifications so you won't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching My Curly Girls and Me.